You're so cute.
Oh, it's cold.
Hi, boys.
Your demise.
I told you it's not a good idea.
Oh, I bought this one. She's in there again.
I'm hungry.
Breakfast.
Since before they were eggs.
I love you.
Holy And we're going to test to see if we would Paige, it's you.
Where's the catnip?
Let's sing a song, yeah?
What? Is your food bowl empty?
You're gonna fall! You're gonna fall! Ah!
Oh shit! Pink hair.
Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. Do something, cat.
Excuse me.
Zero. Grab the. Oh.
I love you.
He could do it if he tried.
You want attention, but you're just gonna hiss at me. Okay.
Oh shit!
Oh. Oh shit.
What are you doing?
To you too.
Oh, he's gonna make it.
Girlfriend and I are gonna get dressed.
Nice long body, perfect form, beautiful teeth.
My cat fucking stuck in the fucking floor. Get. Oh, she really stuck, dude.
Who the fuck is this?
Oh!
No, Sasha! Sasha!
Ooga.
It's been fixed temporarily, but it's not a permanent solution. Oh.
Not overeating, I know that. Look at.
Oh, her nail is in my face.
What are you doing? He could do it if he tried.
Oh, her nail is in my face.
You wanna play?
Salam alaikum, alaikum salam.
You're adopted.
Oh!
Как тигр делает? Ох!
The most dangerous animal on this planet.
They heard the can open.
No! Toss it out! I said.
Say yeah!
Sailor.
Gamma!
Come on, my boy. Whoa.
Is our cat is outside too.
Oh my god!
Still just purring away. You okay?
Oh.
Who set aside this area as a national monument in 1909 to save the declining.
Salam alaikum, alaikum salam.
Not that serious.
Thank you.
Up in the air.